Welcome to Photoshop Tricks Under 2 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove people in Photoshop. Click the Object Selection tool, then choose which part of the image you want to remove. Go to Select, then Modify and choose Expand. In the Expand selection box, input 15 pixels and hit OK. Then go to Edit, then Fill. In the Fill settings box, make sure Content Aware is selected under Contents. Then hit OK. You may repeat the process until you get the desired result. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.